Hi, I'm Nikki. When we design our Jelly Roll quilt patterns, we often use half square triangle units to create our design. And Creative Grids have designed this fantastic ruler. It's called a multi-size 4590 and it's the perfect tool for when you want to make half square or quarter square triangles from strips. Now this part of the ruler, this is your 45-degree angle, and this is what you use to create your half square triangle blocks, which you can see just here. And I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. Now if we turn it around, this gives you the 90-degree angle, and this allows you to make your quarter square triangles when you're working with strips. This is a Creative Grids multi-size 4590 ruler, and I'm going to show you how to make a finished 2-inch half square triangle unit. And for this we need to work with the 45-degree part of this ruler. Now first of all you need to take your 2.5-inch strips and place 2 contrasting fabrics right sides together. Just a quick tip, once we place them together we always press them, and this helps keep them in place. Now the important thing to note with this ruler is that it gives you the finished size measurements. So we're working with 2.5-inch strips, so we are interested in the finished 2-inch line. So we've trimmed our selvages. Now all you need to do is find that 2-inch line and then just align it with the bottom of the strips, and that gives you your cut. Okay, and then just very carefully just pull it away. Then you rotate your ruler 180 degrees and again find your 2-inch line. This time you put it up and align it to the top of the strip, and this becomes your cut. Okay, then once you've done all your cutting, very carefully keeping the 2 fabrics together, you take it to your sewing machine and sew down the diagonal. Once you've done that, now you only have 1 dog ear to trim, because when you do your cuts you'll notice that the top edge of the triangle is cut off, and that's fine because it would have been a dog ear anyhow. So you cut off your remaining dog ear and then you open it out, always press the darker fabric, and there you have it, a finished 2-inch half square triangle.
Here are just 3 quilts we've made using the half square triangle unit. The one on the left is called Atlantic Link, and we've made half square triangle units mixed with 4 patch units, and clever use of colour creates this lovely interlocking design. The quilt in the centre is our flower baskets quilt. It's a little flower block which is quite fun to make because you do a little bit of swapping of squares from one block to another to get your contrasting fabrics. It's set on point and it looks quite effective. The quilt on the right is our Sweet Peas quilt, made with the Papillon fabric from Moda. It's 2 alternating blocks using the half square triangle units, set on point with some white on white background fabric, and we hope you agree there's so much you can do with the half square triangle unit.